very welcome, Neeta ma'am, to the AI Masterpieces. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very good. How are you, Suruchi?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. And how are you doing during this lockdown?
Yes, so there are many aspects on which I am focusing. I'm trying to see the good aspects of it
Yes.
and make the most of time with family
Mm-hmm.
as well as managing the work and the house. So
Yeah.
it's fine.
So it's good for
It's
you.
a experience, yes,
Yeah.
which you don't get to
Yeah.
experience often.
Yes. So, ma'am, can we know a bit about your career journey?
Yes. So I have done my BE Computers, and then I had applied for the DAX, and I got selected in the best institute, the Pune ACTS University branch. And through their career placements, I had got into CDAC. So I joined CDAC, the language and the video works department.
Mm-hmm.
And then while doing that, I did my MBA, and then I switched to SunGuard.
Okay.
So I was a developer. I was
Mm-hmm.
a C++ developer, and along that, along with my MBA, helped me get into a finance BFSI segment company, which was SunGuard.
Okay.
And yes, and then so I was with for 4.5 years in CDAC,
Okay.
and then I moved over to SunGuard,
Okay.
and I've been with SunGuard for the past 15 years. I'll be completing this year.
Nice. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, ma'am, I'm very interested in knowing how did your background of working in corporates and working in finance translate into you working with Daya? Like, how did that happen?
Yes. So the way it is so there was one phase where I would like to tell you about my family background. So I have three kids.
Okay.
Out of them, they are twins. So I had my twins, and around that time, I started thinking like, and then I saw them like each of them has their own different personality, and I started thinking like same environment, and still why do they behave so differently?
Right.
And so there was a time when after the kids were born, I worked from home for some time. I was doing the, and then I was also contemplating like three kids, each with their own personality. And so there was a time when I started thinking about what makes them
Mhm.
different.
Yeah.
And it was then that I came across Dhea, and since they were very small at that time when I started, but to understand them better and with the psychometric test and understand myself better, I would like to tell you that right now I am a business analyst.
Okay.
And yeah, so I transitioned from development to business analysis,
Mhm.
and they have played an important role. So I had given the psychometric test myself, and I
Mhm.
realized that I am a better, considering my profile,
Yeah.
I would be a good business analyst.
Okay.
And that is how Thea helped me also to make the transition at that moment,
Right.
and also with the desire to understand my children better and help them provide. So whatever I faced, like okay, there was just engineering and medicine, so I thought not only my kids but all kids have this
Yeah.
dilemma nowadays. And when I attended the DHEA training, I felt a lot of similar views,
Right.
and they matched. That is what made me closer to DHEA, and want me to get associated with DHEA and work with DHEA closely.
So during your course with Daya, for the last so many years you have been working with Daya, did you see other parents or other kids in the similar situation?
Yes, so every time when I am counseling a child, I'm mentoring a child, and I feel like, oh yes, even my daughter, so I can associate better. So I know that yes, even my child feels like this. So I know what the child
Yeah.
would be feeling, and how exactly how I should be not only uh, relating and treating my children, but also the other children whom I'm mentoring. I
Right.
just see them like, yeah, she's just like my daughter, and or
Yeah.
he's like. how my daughter is, and this
Yeah.
nature is common, and then I can associate and relate, or this is different. So amongst my three kids with different personalities, I always find the other kids also having some math somewhere, and then I relate and associate, and
Always
then
find the connection. And
yes,
yes, that is really beautiful, ma'am. So tell me, do you have any message to our viewers?
yes. So the most important message is conveyed right by the name of Dheya. That is, having a goal in life is so important in life. So if you aim for the stars, you will at least reach the coconut tree,
Yeah.
or something. Yeah, somewhere in between,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
and if you don't have a goal, you don't look forward to anything in life, and then you don't know. You're just like swimming in the sea, and you don't know where you will reach.
Mhm.
So it is whatever you try setting some goals, and that is one thing I'm also trying to get my kids to do. So just over the last month, I also did, besides being a mentor, I'm also now a learning facilitator,
Oh,
personalized mom
yeah.
mom course I did.
Yes.
And so I'm trying to apply that to my kids, so
Yes.
that, and then I ask them, like, I've taken feedback, would their friends be interested,
Mhm.
and how they are enjoying.
Right.
So I always try to see if I can implement all the points which I'm learning with here.
Right. Yes.
So and yeah, that is one thing which you have to have, a passion and a goal.
Mhm.
Any kid, or forget kids, even adults should be having it. Then they have something to look forward to, and then they will put in their effort,
Yes.
and they
Yes.
know where to go. So that is the message which I wanted to give.
So have a goal in life and work towards it. That's what you would like to say.
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for connecting with us today. And we are so happy that we could be of help to you and your kids as well. And they're very lucky to have a mentor mom for them and their friends as well, like you said,
Yes,
because
and it's
you are
nice.
helping
They are
them as
giving me
well.
an opportunity not only to mentor my kids, but also a lot of other kids,
Yes, yes,
similar
yes.
manner.
So thank you, ma'am, for connecting with us today. And we wish you very good luck and hope we get to work together for a really long time.
Yes, I wish the same.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.